If I'm messing with my uniform. Alright? Okay, so what you do is take your belt, alright, find the middle, essentially. Okay? And you have the folded piece here, which usually you look for a top and a bottom. The place on the bottom is where the two pieces come together. So you see two separate lines, usually, is the bottom. Where it's kind of rounded at the top, that's the top. Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
If I took a piece of paper and I folded it over, the place with the ridge would be the top, the place where the two pieces come together is the bottom. That's essentially what it is, a piece of cloth folded over and stick together. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you take that top, you look at the top, all right, in the middle, and you put the top middle in the middle of your uniform, okay? Good. And you bring it around. Here's the tricky fun part, okay? You take your right hand and you put it underneath your left, all right? And then you drop it for a second and you grab with your right hand the other piece of belt, all right? And then you basically take that piece that you just let go with your right hand and you cinch it underneath the belt as you come around. Okay, so it kind of goes underneath the other belt piece. All right, and you bring the other side around on top of the other piece of the belt. Okay, come to the middle. All right, so let's try that again one more time. Let's get there. All right, so go ahead and drop it. Find the middle. Put the middle in the middle. You get that part, no problem. Okay. Now, this is the one time your belt's allowed, in my opinion, to touch the ground. Other than that, if you guys came from schools where you throw your belts on the ground, stuff like that, don't do that here, okay? Keep the belt off the ground. But here, touch the ground, it is what it is, all right? So, bring it around, okay? And when you reach the back, it's where you take your right hand, put it underneath your left hand, and let go. So you grab that other piece with your left hand, and then you bring your right hand around and your left hand cinches the belt underneath the other piece. Everybody see what I'm doing here? Got it? Okay? So you get that underneath the other piece. And then as you come around with the right hand, it stays on top of the other piece. Okay, then when you come to the front, you can kind of check and mess with it and make sure it's all lined up. Okay? Now, when you go to the front, you take the top, you take your right hand and you go under both pieces. Under both pieces. All right, and then you come up under both pieces. I got it? Now you go ahead and cinch this tight as you can, without making it all fold up funky and stuff. You want to try and keep these two pieces still flat. Okay? Once you get that part, then you take top over bottom and pull it through. You can say rabbit hole, whatever, I don't care, okay? And then bring it through and then, boom, pop it tight, and then, mess with it till it looks straight and jump, okay? You should basically have the two pieces come together and be the same one, okay? If not, you can adjust another time. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, so if you've never done this before, I would highly recommend repeat like 10 times tonight. Let it sink in, okay? Otherwise, not a biggie. You just have to test over again, all right? All right. Just kidding. Just make sure you come to class and figure out how to time. Cool?
Yes, sir.
All right. Great job, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Back to celebrate. All right. There you go. Yeah, I know.